Peace, family, peace, 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 peace. Okay, so we are at one of our favorite stores, okay? Dollar Tree, okay? Honey, the budget is $6, all right? Okay, I only need a few items, okay? And I know some of you guys may be like, $6, damn. $6 is correct, okay? Let's go. I know Dollar Tree don't have baskets, so I'ma just get a cart. Okay, now I know honey getting this cart is setting myself up. Okay, so let's get what we came here to get and be out. Okay, so first up we are going to get, okay, so if you guys seen my video the other day, you seen when I used the Reynolds wrap, okay, for the pot, to get the stuff out of the pot. So today, honey, we are millionaires, okay? So we are going to get one of these. Oh, look at this. Okay, so normally I would get this. Okay, and normally this would be like a where would I get this from, like Walgreens or something like this, or even Target, okay, but we're gonna get it from here today. You know what this is teaching me? Okay, definitely how to budget. Okay, and then we are going to get one of these. Now, I don't really care for these things. I had heard they really good. Supposedly, you put the soap in here, and it helps like getting, you know, the crud and stuff off the pots and stuff like that. The reason being is because when this thing turns dirty, it does something to me. Okay, so I'm looking for the blue dish rags. Maybe they in another aisle or something. Okay, let me see. Oh, let me know in the comments, have you guys ever used the quick eraser, okay, for your wars and stuff? That's what normally I would use this for, like for your wars. You know, sometimes your wars be like dirty. Honey, this is good. Well, I never use this one. I normally, before I would use like the Clorox one, but let me know. Oh, it's the Mr. Clean one. So let me know if you guys have ever used this and how effective it is. Okay, so I told you guys before, I normally would get my socks from TJ Maxx, okay, because you get so many pairs for like $6 or $8 or $9, okay. But here, okay, it's like 3 pairs. Honey, they feel so thin. I'm thinking it's 2 pairs. It's 3 pairs for $1. Okay, so I am going to get these. These are pretty much the only type of socks I like. I don't like the real long socks, but I would wear them, and I do have them, but I prefer these socks instead. Okay, so it's looking like they don't have no more of those blue, I think they call Clorox rags. I don't think they have any more of them. Let's see. Blue Clorox rags, I think, like they clean your pots and stuff. They blue and white. They normally,
Are they like Brillo?
Yeah, Brillo. I said Clorox. Yeah, Brillo. Would they normally be here?
Yes.
Oh, so y'all
Are
don't
they not like this at all?
No,
Would you have a picture by any chance?
no, but they, damn it, y'all don't have no more, I guess.
It's not this, right? Like these quick erasers?
No, it's like a rag. They blue and white. Well, I guess y'all don't have any more, because Oh wait, is it there? Oh no, that's not it. Alright, yeah, I guess y'all don't have any more. Thank you. Okay, family, so they don't have no more, so I guess we gonna just get what we take what we have. Oh look. So I didn't really I could get some dish rags. Now, the same thing what I said about the food being on that scrubby thing, same as that concept with these. So the reason I like getting those Brillo rags is because rags, they you could just toss them after you wash them, but I wouldn't normally toss these because they like dish rags, actual dish rags. So I guess we're gonna go with this. Although I really didn't need no dish rags. Well, I wanted those blue rags, but they don't have them, so let's see. You know when you get to the store and you really want something and they don't have it, and you gonna keep on trying to look to make sure that they don't have it, honey. That's what's going on here. Okay. Oh, look at this. Okay, I didn't come in here for none of this. You remember these snowballs, honey? Honey, I ain't come here for this. Okay, ain't come here for this. Hell, these. Have you guys ever tried these? Let me know in the comment section how you feel about those. Okay, so. Okay, family, so this is something I did not know, okay? I did not know Dollar Tree sold Caress. Okay, now I really don't do Caress, but I didn't know that. Oh, I remember using this back in the day. So my sister Melissa, she would use this a lot, Caress and Dove, okay? But fun fact, I didn't know they sold this. Okay, get into it. So it's no reason, let me tell you something, it's no reason for you to be going around, smelling a certain type of way, because you could come here and get the dollar stuff. Just look at palm olive, $1, 3 bars, honey. What's your excuse? There's no excuse. All right, so with that being said, I hope you guys are enjoying your day. Make sure you're rocking out, believing in yourself, honey. Let me get out of here. I came back over here to take some pictures for my thumbnail. Peace.